7 ways to use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life. In the era of AI, where we could expect autopilot cars, but no one had thought of something like ChatGPT so soon. ChatGPT is a large language model that can perform a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as text generation, text completion, text classification, and question answering. This has shrunken time to complete certain tasks from hours to even minutes. Welcome back, young professionals. Today, we'll be looking at how you can use ChatGPT to improve your life. Number 1. ChatGPT can give you easy cooking recipes. ChatGPT can help you find a recipe that fits your needs, whether you're looking to incorporate a certain ingredient or try a certain type of food. If you ask for a certain recipe for something like chicken stir-fry or vegan lasagna, it will give you a list of options. Also, if you don't want to go to the store, you can ask it to suggest a dish that you can make with the ingredients you already have in your kitchen. There are lots of ways that AI can be used in the real world to make our lives easier and more efficient. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence has the potential to be and will continue to be a useful tool in many parts of our daily lives. But it's important to be aware of the ethical issues that need to be thought about when using AI. Number 2. Writing emails. ChatGPT can be used to write emails. It can generate text that is similar to the style and tone of human writing emails. However, keep in mind that the emails generated by ChatGPT are not always grammatically or semantically correct. It would require fine-tuning and human editing, but still, whatever type of email you want to write, either to your boss or to your teacher, you can ask ChatGPT for it and it will generate it in seconds. The technology behind ChatGPT has been around for a while, but the main reason that the bot has gotten so much attention is because it can speak and understand natural English. Because of this, it's not always possible to tell the difference between an email or text message written by ChatGPT and one written by a person. Because of this, we can turn hard ideas, hard conversations, or complicated grammatical structures into sentences that don't have any mistakes. However, with great power comes great responsibility. AI ethicist Pistilli says, it's hard to say in general terms when it's okay to use AI to write personal messages. ChatGPT, for example, could be a game changer for people who have trouble communicating both in writing and in person. She told you to think about your goals before going any further. Some people might not miss the human touch in an email at work. Bethany Hanks is a clinical social worker who says she has been watching ChatGPT grow. She thinks that personal communication dilemma is worth thinking about. She said that she helps her therapy clients write scripts for hard conversations, but she always takes the time to find out how the client feels to make sure the script is true and responsible. Number 3. Can write code for you. If you're writing code in Python or JavaScript, you can actually ask this AI to write you a specific code for a task you're doing. The AI will write that code for you, and then you can work on it and put it on whatever website or page you're making. However, the generated code might not be syntactically or semantically correct, and it might not be able to run or execute properly. Therefore, it could require human editing and testing. Additionally, there are other models specifically designed for code generation, such as GPT-3-based code generation models, which are fine-tuned on code-related data and can generate syntactically correct code snippets. ChatGPT can not only help you write code, but it can also check and fix any code you're already working on. You would only have to paste that code into the chat box, and ChatGPT would look through the code to find any mistakes. If you need help with your computer science homework or a big project, and you want to use ChatGPT as your coding assistant, you should certainly try it. Number 4. Research any topic and translate it into your language. Google is like an old friend you don't want to see anymore because it's replaced by someone who knows even better and can answer 99% of all the questions you've ever asked. That new friend is ChatGPT, and it is here to help you find sources for your research, whether it's for an article, a YouTube video, or personal questions. It is not just about writing scripts, but ChatGPT can translate any language into your language. You can talk to potential customers who speak a different language and can translate it right away. You might be thinking, well, Google can do this, and you would be right. All I'm trying to say is that artificial intelligence can be used as an alternative to Google's complicated system. All you have to do is say, please translate the next phrase into Mandarin, and it will do the job. Number 5. Creating original content. Listen, I'm not going to tell you to use AI all the time so that you don't have to write essays or blog posts anymore. You can do that, but your writing will have about as much flavor as chicken breast that has been boiled in water without any seasoning. ChatGPT cannot currently be as creative as you are, but it might make you want to do something creative. How can ChatGPT help make writing jobs easier? It can give you an outline for a research paper or suggest topics for blog posts about healthy eating. It knows about the specialized fields you work in. If you ask it to come up with 10 ideas for blog posts about relationship advice for single people in their 30s, it will give you a place to start writing. By choosing one of the options and starting to write, you will have saved your minutes or hours, or time you would have spent coming up with new ideas. Since ChatGPT would take care of these things, you will be able to focus on making the content itself. Number 6. Create WordPress plugin. You could ask the AI to make a WordPress plugin for you, and you would explain what that plugin would do. After that, the AI would tell you what steps you need to take if you want to make that plugin. Again, that is very helpful, because if you have an idea for a plugin, utility, or a piece of software that you want to make, you can start by asking ChatGPT. Number 7. Make a workout plan and healthy diet. With the help of ChatGPT, you can make a workout plan based on inputted data, or ask it to modify the plan you have already made. Then, you can provide it with information such as your fitness level, goals, available equipment, and schedule. Based on this information, ChatGPT can generate a custom workout plan. It's important to note that while the workout plans generated by ChatGPT can be a great starting point, they should not replace the advice of a certified fitness professional. It would be best to consult with a professional before following any workout plan, especially if you have any health conditions. Moreover, ChatGPT can provide suggestions for healthy diets based on the data it has been given, but it doesn't have the ability to understand an individual's specific needs and medical history. A certified nutritionist has the expertise and training to create personalized diet plans that take into account an individual's unique needs and goals. Additionally, ChatGPT does not have the ability to provide the counseling, support, and follow-up that nutritionists can provide. It's also important to take note that ChatGPT's knowledge cutoff date of 2021 and the current date might affect the correctness of the information it provides, and it's not up to date with the latest scientific research. Therefore, it would be best to use ChatGPT as a tool to assist in creating healthy diet plans, but not as a replacement for professional advice. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about using ChatGPT to help improve your daily life and reach your goals? Let us know in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content. In the meantime, check out this video about the top 10 TEDx talks that you must watch in 2023.